In this video, you will learn how to connect the polytubing to the RO module assembly. Remove the plug in the inlet position of the RO module. Lubricate the end of the stem elbow, push it into position, and clip into place. Then lubricate the end of the 3/8 white polytubing coming from the T adapter, push into the stem elbow, and clip into place. Remove the plug in the drain position of the RO module, lubricate the end of the stem elbow, push into position, and then clip into place. Then lubricate the end of the 1/4-inch red polytubing coming from the drain saddle and push into the stem elbow and clip that into place. Remove the plug in the faucet position of the RO module, lubricate the end of the stem elbow, push into position, and clip into place. And then lubricate the end of the 3/8 blue polytubing coming from the faucet, push it into the stem elbow, and clip it into place.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.